Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
Fulton gang, you know the vibes.
Today we are doing a lash tutorial with Miss Bayoh. I'm gonna be teaching you how to put lashes on. First, we're gonna start by picking a pair. This box is full of lashes, so go ahead and look through that. Drum roll, please.
Oh, I gotta go faster?
No.
These ones look fly, but I'm not gonna do that one. Oh, these look.
Those are the ones I always use. I always use those ones.
This?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're a good one.
Alright, let's do these.
This is a good choice. Ardell Professional. These ones are the natural ones, and these ones are the wispy. So,
Sorry.
okay, so what I usually use wig glue too. It looks like Miss Bayoh does too.
Well, I bought it, so never used it though.
I just think that wig glue for your lashes, that sounds dangerous, but honestly it's fine. Grab your brush.
Okay.
I use the end of these mermaid brushes to apply it so it's easier.
Oh, I see.
So you don't over glue the lash.
Okay.
So I just usually put like a blob on this.
Oh, your container.
Yeah, this container is like 5 years old. Sorry I look so short, guys. I'm actually not that short.
Yeah, she's sitting on the ball.
So we're just gonna put that on there, just a blob. Grab your lashes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And then take the end of your brush and dip it in there. And show the camera what you're doing.
Okay. You can't really see the lash. There we go. So now I am applying it. How much? Do I let it dry first?
No, you just put it on there. Yeah.
Is this enough?
A little bit more. Yeah, I'll show you. I'm gonna be using my fingers because I'm a pro at this.
Oh, okay.
So you get like a good glunk on there, and then you just lightly put it on the lash line. And what's good about the Ardell Professionals, they have a thin lash line, so like it like blends in with your own, you know?
Yeah.
I don't like the thick ones because they're hard to put on. So you want like a thick layer.
I'm nervous, yo. This is gonna come out. Okay. I thought you were gonna put it on my face, but okay. We're gonna do this. Okay.
You can watch me put mine on first. I'm gonna use this mirror. So you wanna hold your mirror like down towards your chin so you can see your lash line a little bit better.
Gotcha.
And you just kinda stick it on there. As close as you can.
Okay.
You watching?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay.
I'm attentive.
Oh, period.
Oh, shoot.
And then it's pretty much on there, and then you let it dry just a little bit, and then you just push it together with your fingers.
Okay. All right. Watch this epic fail. Here we go. I can do it.
You got this. Your glue kind of
I
dries
just like
fast.
lay it on top and then like mess with it.
I'm about to grab my glue because your glue dried pretty fast.
It's cricket.
Let me grab my glue. Try two. Take two.
I didn't do it? I feel like I didn't do it.
Well, I think it's because your glue dried too quick.
Oh, it definitely did. Okay.
Okay,
So I was
so
playing no games.
literally, we weren't quick enough.
You gotta be quicker than that.
You gotta be quicker than that.
Sorry.
Go to this glue right here, because this one doesn't dry as quick. It dries when you put it, when it makes contact with your skin.
Dang, that means I gotta get new glue.
You might, because that one dried too quick. Unless you can just be quick.
Done.
Take two. So, like before, put your mirror down and then line it up. You might want to wait so you can use the tweezers.
Okay, cool.
So try aiming for your the middle of your eye, and then go to the front and then put it down, and then to the last part and put it down.
And then push it down? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna do it. I don't know what happened, y'all. I'm gonna stop laying. Did I do it?
A It looks like it.
Whoa.
Ooh. Let's see it.
Oh, I got some glue right here.
Oh, that's okay.
So how do you fix that?
You push it up. Like you try to curl it. Here.
No, I don't know how to do that part. I ain't doing that part.
That part's easy.
I got glue everywhere. Yo, I got glue everywhere.
But it's okay. It still looks good.
It really does.
Yeah.
I'm real sloppy with the glue part.
Well, it's your first time.
Okay, thank you. I needed that.
Okay, next lash.
That's different, right?
I think so. Do you want to add mascara?
One thing at a time. One thing at a time.
Okay, next lash. Alright, so you start at the middle part.
Okay.
And push your original lashes down.
Yo, I got glue everywhere.
Just go as close as you can to your lash line.
Yeah? Did I do it?
Well, you got some glue right there.
I told you, man.
But you can't really tell.
These are cute.
Yeah, these are my favorite lashes. Like, if I ever want to get cute for school, and I never really do, but whenever I do, I use these ones because they're, like, natural looking. Yeah. I don't like to wear big ones out and about, you know?
Yo, I just did my lashes, y'all. I'm just like,
That wasn't that hard, was it?
no, yeah.
So, what do you think of your final look?
Damn, got it. Damn, got it.
That's cute. And it looks so good. Okay. Y'all, I really messed up like with glue and stuff like that,
But honestly, practice makes perfect, guys.
how do you clean up the glue?
You kind of just have to restart. Like, you have to, like, take it off and it'll peel off, and then you just re-put it on.
Oh, okay.
But sometimes if you have, like, a lot of eyeshadow on, like, say you have, like, blue eyeshadow on, it will take the blue off, so you have to reapply.
Eyeshadow and then...
Yeah, you have to reapply eyeshadow. But luckily we went for a natural, you know, glowy look. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned how to put lashes on. Remember, practice makes perfect.
I'm gonna keep practicing.
So yeah.